Have your legs been feeling a little weaker lately? Maybe your hands tingle more often, or you notice it's just harder to get up from a chair than it used to be. If that sounds familiar, I want you to take a deep breath and know this: you're not alone, and there's something you can do to feel stronger again. As we age, our bodies quietly lose something called collagen. It's a protein that supports our joints, muscles, and even the tiny nerves in our hands and feet. But here's the beautiful part. Nature has already given us what we need to fight back, gently and deliciously. In today's video, I'll walk you through 8 powerful fruits that help your body naturally rebuild collagen. These are simple, everyday foods that can support your legs, calm the tingling in your hands, and bring strength back to the places that feel weak. So grab a cup of coffee and get comfortable. But before we start, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss out on powerful health tips like these. And while you're at it, drop a comment below and tell us where you're watching from. It's always amazing to see how far our healthy community reaches. Okay, let's dive in. Number 1, kiwi. Let's start with one of nature's most underrated treasures, the kiwi. You might pass it by in the fruit aisle, but don't be fooled. This tiny green fruit is a powerhouse for joint and nerve health. Why? It's loaded with vitamin C, which is absolutely essential for your body to make collagen. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't produce the collagen it needs to keep your legs steady or your hands free from that annoying tingling. Just one medium kiwi has more vitamin C than your entire daily requirement. So eating one every day gives your body the fuel it needs to keep repairing itself. Plus, kiwi has a special enzyme called actinidin that helps you digest proteins, including the collagen from other foods. So it's a double whammy. It helps your body build collagen and use it more effectively. A small fruit, yes, but a big gift for your aging body. Number 2, strawberries. Next up, let's talk about strawberries. Those bright red juicy berries probably bring back memories of summer. But beyond their delicious taste, they offer something truly special for your aging body. Strawberries are one of the most powerful fruits for helping your body build and protect collagen. They're packed with vitamin C, just like kiwi, but they also contain something called ellagic acid. This compound acts like a shield, helping to prevent the breakdown of the collagen you already have. Think of it like a little guardian for your joints and connective tissues. Plus, strawberries are full of antioxidants that fight inflammation, which is often the root cause of joint pain and nerve issues. So the next time you enjoy a bowl of fresh strawberries, just remember, you're feeding your joints, your nerves, and your heart exactly what they need to keep you moving well. Number 3, oranges. Of course, we can't talk about vitamin C without giving some love to the classic, oranges. This breakfast table staple has earned its reputation. They're not just for boosting your immune system. They're a fantastic collagen builder. But here's something you may not know. Oranges also contain a compound called hesperidin. This plays a vital role in supporting your blood vessels. What does that mean for you? It means better circulation. Better blood flow to your legs, feet, and hands can translate to less tingling or numbness. Even a small glass of orange juice in the morning can give your body a natural collagen boost and help support better circulation all day. So yes, this classic fruit isn't just refreshing. It's a smart, science-backed way to care for your joints and overall vitality. Number 4, papaya. Have you ever taken a bite of papaya and thought, this is too sweet to be healthy? Well, surprise, this vibrant tropical fruit is a hidden gem. Papaya contains a special enzyme called papain. This enzyme helps your body break down and absorb proteins, including collagen. So instead of just eating foods that contain collagen, your body actually gets to use it where it's needed most, like your knees, hips, and muscles. Adding a few slices of ripe papaya to your morning meal could make a real difference in how your body feels. It's like giving your joints a gentle stretch from the inside out. Number 5, dark berries. Let's talk about something small but mighty. Dark berries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. These beautiful dark colors aren't just for show. They come from a compound called anthocyanins. And for seniors, anthocyanins are like nature's own little miracle workers. First, they're powerful antioxidants. They help protect your body's cells from damage, especially the fragile collagen fibers that naturally decline with age. Think of collagen as the scaffolding of your body. Anthocyanins protect that scaffolding, helping to slow down the natural wear and tear that comes with aging. Second, these berries have a remarkable anti-inflammatory effect. For those of you with joint stiffness, aching knees, or sore hips, chronic inflammation is often to blame. Berries help calm that inflammation at a cellular level, making it easier to move and stay active. And for those of you who experience nerve-related discomfort, like tingling in your fingers or feet, anthocyanins also assist in nerve repair, helping to nourish and regenerate those small nerve endings. So whether you're adding a handful of blueberries to your oatmeal or tossing some raspberries into a smoothie, remember, you're picking up nature's own collagen protectors, nerve soothers, and anti-aging warriors. Number 7, avocado. Let's take a moment to appreciate one of nature's most nourishing fruits. Yes, you heard that right. Avocado is a fruit. While it's not packed with vitamin C, it's rich in something that might be even more important for preserving the collagen you already have: healthy monounsaturated fats. These good fats act like natural lubricants for your cells, supporting everything from joint cushioning to nerve health. If you've been struggling with things like hand weakness or that frustrating fumble finger feeling, it might be your nervous system asking for a little more nourishment. Avocado also has a powerful antioxidant called vitamin E, which helps slow down the damage to your collagen over time. So the next time your grip feels weaker, remember that one humble avocado could be part of your answer. Number 8, guava. Finally, let's shine the spotlight on one of nature's most powerful collagen allies, guava. This humble tropical fruit packs an incredible punch. Just one guava contains more vitamin C than an entire orange. But what really makes it stand out is its content of lysine, a vital amino acid that helps build collagen structure. Think of lysine as the scaffolding that holds your joints, skin, and muscles together. Guava helps ensure that the collagen your body does make is strong, stable, and long-lasting. So whether your legs feel weak, your joints are stiff, or your hands are losing sensation, guava might be the delicious solution you've been overlooking. So there you have it. 8 fruits that don't just taste good, but actually help your body feel stronger, more flexible, and more comfortable as you age. Try adding a few of them to your daily routine and give your legs, joints, and nerves the support they truly deserve. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Remember, aging gracefully isn't about avoiding what's ahead. It's about nourishing your body to live it well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.